sa akin lahat. Siya pala, sa uli, na-realize ko, parang iba na nararamdaman ko sa babae ko. Parang na-fall ako, pero hindi ko na ganyan explain.
As I'm standing here and you hold my hand, pull me towards you, and we start to dance all around us. I see nobody.
Sabi sa buhay niya, napansin namin lahat na na nagbago talaga siya. And dumating yung part na sinagot siya ni Venice, doon namin napatunayan kung gano'n siya kamahal si Venice. At supportada naman namin siya sa lahat ng gagawin namin. Kahit best, happy anniversary sa kami ni Venice.
Na-bless namin siya tinanong kasi yung silver siya kasi hindi na kayo naman yung event na gagawin niya. Parang hirap. Patong-patong lang namin yung mga idea na naisip ko. Happy anniversary sa inyong relax.
Ngayon, after ng 1 year, eto na. Gagawa ulit siya ng surprise para kay Venice. Lahat ito pinaghirapan niya. So, para sa inyong dalawa ni ikaw, please, at saka Venice, stay strong. Ingatan niyo yung isa't isa, respect, at saka enjoy niyo lang yung samahan niyo.
Yung napalitaan ko na dumating si Venice sa buhay niya, doon na nagsimula yung nagbago yung buhay niya, tapos mas kilala ko siya bilang walking effort. Lahat ng mga kaya niyang gawin sa girlfriend niya, ginagawa niya. Kaya, saludo ako doon. Happy anniversary sa inyo. Stay strong.
Hello, Venice. Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Prince. Nagawa lang ako ng konting effort kasi bibigyan na reasons kung bakit si Prince yung dapat sa P, kasi prinsesa ka para sa kanya. R, kasi Rose talaga yung pinag-ipunan niya na nag-propose sa'yo. Yung I, interesting kasi yung mga napagdaanan niya na, tsaka interesting malaman yung mga pagdadaanan niya. And kasi yung pagtanungan doon, nothing's gonna stop you now. Diba? C, isipain namin to pag dinawa ka nito. E, everything. Yun ka sa kanya. Kaya si Prince ang dapat para. Happy anniversary. Ito lang kami para sa inyo, mga tropa. Happy anniversary.
When I look into your eyes, it's like I'm watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold.
Just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul?
Well, I won't give.
Tago kami ngayon kasi dumating na si Venice unexpectedly. Akala ko 2:30 pa. Kaya nabigla kami, kaya andito yung gumagawa ng poster para sa kanya. Bawal siyang duman dito eh. Kaya inaharangan namin. Tignan tayo.
And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it.
walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not and who I am. But I won't give up. God knows I'm tough. We gotta learn so much. Learn. Oh my God. And we'll worth it. I won't give up on us. Even if the skies should they get rough, I'm giving you all. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.
Na-love ko siya. Ayun, may effort pa rin siya. Proud na proud ako. At siya yung